Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancies in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from the Indian Navy. Name of post is Sub Lieutenant Short Service Commission Logistics. Here the qualification asked is first class BE or BTech, first class MBA or first class BCom along with the other qualifications. So if you are a graduate and 60% and above, you are eligible to apply. Here age limit is that you should be born between 2nd Jan 2001 to 1st July 2006. There are 28 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Here per month salary is around 1.1 lakh. Mode of application is online and last date is 25th Feb 2025. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus of your examination, and we are keep on adding new courses for preparation as you can see on your screen. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. Website link and coupon code is mentioned in the description. I wish you all the best for your examination. Moving on, the next vacancy is from Vaikunt Mehta National Institute of Cooperative Management. The name of post is Deputy Manager Accounts. Qualification asked is either a CA, CMA or BCom with MBA Finance. Age limit is 40 years. There are 4 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. And these are permanent vacancy. If you are applying based on CA or CMA, 8 years of experience required. And if you are applying for based on BCom MBA, then 10 years of experience required. Package is around 14.27 lakhs. Mode of application is online and last date is 20th Feb 2025. And next vacancy is from Institute of Development Studies. Name of post is Accounts Executive. The qualification asked is CA or MCom with minimum 60% marks or BCom with minimum 60% marks. Age limit is 45 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Jaipur. France is a permanent vacancy. You need to have 10 years of experience if you are applying based on CA, and if you are applying based on MCom or BCom, then 15 years of experience is asked. Package per annum is 9.2 lakh. Mode of application is offline and last date is 4th March 2025. Moving on, the next vacancy is from Nalanda University. Name of post is Assistant Finance Officer. Qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA or MBA Finance or MCom with minimum 55% marks. Age limit is 45 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Bihar. This is a contractual job. You need to have 5 years of experience. Here package mention is that USD 14,000 to 23,000. Mode of application is that you have to email to them at the mentioned email address. Last date is 5th March 2025. Moving on, the next vacancy is from National Institute of Pharmaceuticals Education and Research, Ahmedabad. Name of post is Finance and Accounts Officer. Qualification asked is PG in Commerce or Economics. Age limit is 45 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Gujarat. This is a permanent vacancy. You need to have 10 years of experience. Your package per annum is around 13 lakh. Mode of application is online and you have to forward the hard copy of your application by 30th March 2025. Moving on, the next vacancy is again from Napier, Ahmedabad. Name of post is Accountant. Qualification asked is BCom. Your upper age limit is 35 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Gujarat. Again, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 3 years of experience. Your package will be 9.2 lakh. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. And friend, next vacancy is also from Napier, Ahmedabad. Name of post is Assistant Grade 1. Qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 35 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Gujarat. Again, it's a permanent vacancy. Here 2 years of experience asked. Here package per annum is 7.3 lakh. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last 2 vacancies. The next vacancy is again from Napier, Ahmedabad. Now the name of post is Assistant Grade 2. Earlier one was Grade 1. Qualification asked is graduation. Age limit is 35 years. There are 2 vacancy. Place of posting is in Gujarat. Again, it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Here package per annum is 6.5 lakh. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last 3 vacancies. Moving on. The next vacancy is from National Institute for Research in Tuberculosis. Name of post is Assistant. Qualification asked is graduation. Here age limit is 30 years. There are 5 vacancy. Place of posting is in Tamil Nadu. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Here package will be 7.3 lakh. Mode of application and last date that will be provided soon by the institute. Next vacancy is again from National Institute of Research in Tuberculosis. Name of post is Upper Divisional Clerk. Qualification asked is graduation and English typing speed of 35 words per minute or Hindi typing speed of 30 words per minute. Age limit is 27 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Tamil Nadu. This is a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Package per annum is 5.5 lakh. Mode of application and last date is yet to be provided by the institute. Notification will be soon out for application date. The next vacancy is from Indian International Arbitration Center. Name of post is Executive Assistant Accounts. Qualification asked is Bachelor's Degree in Commerce. Fancy age limit is 40 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in New Delhi. It's a contractual job. You need to have 3 years of experience. Here per month salary is around 70,000. Mode of application is offline and last date is 10th March 2025. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share it with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful, and I'll see you all in the next week with the latest update. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.